Hey guys, so I just picked up this slip-on exhaust from AliExpress and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of it and then I'll do a couple sound clips before and after. So this slip-on is the Krakovich knockoff. At the time it was about $70 US or about 100 Canadian. So this is the slip-on here. It's got the laser etched logo. The bracket's bolted on and it comes with a little flange or worm clip, I guess. I'll just do a quick measure here. The exhaust outlet's about 2 3/8 of an inch. And the inlet part's about 1 3/8 inches. And this is meant to bolt onto the stock exhaust. I decided to get a header as well. I was a little hesitant about getting the header at first because normally you need a tune and because the headers are generally really loud. But I managed to find a header with a resonator built into it. So I'm hoping that this won't be too loud. So let's see what this actually looks like. This header was about $100 US or about 130 Canadian at the time. So the reason I really like this one is because it has a resonator built in. So I'm hoping that it'll be somewhat quiet and I'm hoping that I won't need a tune. The outlet is about 1 1/8 inches. So this is sort of the mid-pipe section. And then you'll have the two runners for the header mating up right here. Yeah, so it comes with a bolt for where the O2 sensor goes, and it comes with a couple of these spring clips to hold it together. When I'm installing this, I'm just going to put a little bit anti-seize on here before slipping this into the mid-pipe. I won't bother with a how-to video because there's tons of those on YouTube already. I just wanted to do the unboxing and then I'll do a couple before and after videos.